Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Robinhood wallet. Alright, so we are here on a mobile device and we have gone into our Play Store or our App Store and we've downloaded the Robinhood wallet app, which is a different app to the Robinhood app. So what we want to go ahead and do here is either import a wallet. So if you tap on import wallet, you will now have to enter your recovery phrase, which was given to you when you created that wallet. Now, if you don't know this, you're not able to recover your recovery phrase. Okay, so you need to have copied it or saved it somehow manually. So what our other option is here is to create a new wallet. So go ahead and click on that and go and click on secure with PIN. And here you will enter a 6-digit PIN, right? So let's go ahead and enter that 6-digit PIN and confirm that 6-digit PIN. And here on this very next page, you'll see backup your wallet. So here you have the option to back up your wallet, which I suggest you do. Go and click on backup or remind me later. And here you want to either have your notifications turned on or off. Go ahead, choose your option, and your wallet is ready. Go and click on let's go. You'll see now there's your wallet, there's your amount. Let's just close this. Limited time offers, make sure you check them out. And now you're in with a brand new wallet. I hope this was helpful.